Hello children, bright morning to all. How are you? Hope you all are fine and enjoying the online class from your home. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja Digital Classes. Class First Standard Subject EVS Topic Nature's Magic, Weather and Seasons. Dear students, in today's class, let us know about a very interesting topic, weather and seasons. You know children, the weather changes nearly every day. Some days are hot and some are cool and some are cold. Some days are windy and some are on it rains. You must have often heard the elders in the family talk about the maximum and minimum temperature of a particular day. This means that even during the day, the temperature changes. You know children, every mornings and nights are cooler than the day. Weather affects the way we live, the kind of food we eat, and the kind of clothes we wear depend upon the weather. If the days are hot, we like to wear light cotton clothes. We feel comfortable in soft loose clothes. We do not like to wear clothes which stick to our body. Cotton is good because it absorbs sweat. We also keep a napkin or tissue paper to wipe sweat. We like to stay indoors, especially in the afternoons when it is very hot. We feel like drinking lots of liquids, cool lavender, fruit juice, musk shakes, milkshakes and eat food which is not good, too heavy or fried. We wear woolen clothes when it is cold. These help our bodies to stay warm. We like to wear bright colors too. You know children, some days are windy. If the wind is light and gentle, it is very pleasant. We like to play in the park, go for a walk or do some cycling on such days. But if the wind is very strong, then we should not go out. We might get hurt. On some days it rains. These days are called rainy days. At times the rain is heavy, at times it is light. We like to wear bright colors when it rains. But if we go out, we either wear a raincoat or use an umbrella. Sometimes there is a wind along with the rains. Children, can the umbrella protect you then? No. Even the umbrella cannot protect you. You know children, what are raincoats and umbrellas made of? Raincoats and umbrellas are made up of waterproof material like nylon. Seasons of India. You have often heard the words summer, winter and rainy season. When the kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months, at the time that period is called a season. Once again, listen children, what is a season? When the same kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months, at a time that period is called as season. Seasons in India. Winter start from November and end up to February. Summer season starts from April and continues up to June. Rainy season starts from July and ends up to August. Autumn season starts from September and ends up to October. During winter, sometimes it snows in the hilly region. People light fires in their homes to keep themselves warm and drink coffee. After winter comes spring. This is the most beautiful season. Flowers bloom and birds build their nest in this season. The weather is very pleasant. It is neither hot nor cold. New leaves can be seen on the trees. Then comes which season? Children? Yes, summer. It is very uncomfortable. Plants and animals also feel the heat. Tell me children, which season this? Yes, rainy. The rainy season comes after summer. You know children, during the rainy season, the sky is covered with dark clouds and it rains almost daily. Everything in nature looks washed and clean. Which season this? Yes. Then comes autumn. The leaves change color and fall in the autumn season. The leaves change the color and fall in the autumn season. The days start getting cooler. Even the animals get ready for winter months. Points to remember from this lesson. Listen children, the weather changes nearly every day. Some days are hot, some are cool and some are cold. Some days are windy and on some days it rains. Early mornings and nights are cooler than the days. Weather affects the way we live. When the same kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months at a time, that period is called a season. There are mainly 3 kinds of seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. We also have spring and autumn season. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you everyone for watching.